Welcome to yet another episode of Saja's Designer Boutique. Please do subscribe our channel. Those who haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will be getting all our new updates. So today I'll be introducing you all our latest collections of sari blouses, of ready-made sari blouses, which is brocades, and I'll be showing you pairing with few plain saris. Okay, so the first common question is like which we always get is like when we are saying about a ready-made blouse, they'll be asking how can we say the size, how we'll get the size of the ready-made blouse. So the sizes will be like it is as per your cup sizes. You can just provide as your cup sizes, and like that you will be getting 32, 34, 36, 38. We have like different sizes available, so you can just get your blouses like that. And it is all padded blouses, and there is margins there, so that if there is any alterations, there is enough margins. You can just remove the margins and you can make your sizes little more bigger. If it is 38 size also, you can just make it till 40. The size can be altered till 40. Okay, so I'll be showing you today a very beautiful red chili red brocade blouse, which comes with the hangings, and also there is a golden bead on the sides in the yoke portion and also behind. This can be paired with a plain red sari. I'll show you a plain red sari, which can be paired with a plain red sari with a golden blouse. Like this you can pair it. Then next we have a peach shade in the same one. It's pure brocade. We have different sizes available in this, which can be paired with a black sari or a golden sari or a plain peach sari. Then we have a royal blue of the same sari, which can be paired with a royal blue sari. I'll show you a royal blue sari. This is a royal blue sari which comes with a thread work on the sari and with a antique golden border. We can pair it along with this blouse. I'll be showing you a black sari. This is a black sari which comes with a small border, plain sari, which can be paired with a golden black blouse. Like this you can pair this sari. In this also we have an offer, buy two get two free. And even this black sari can be paired with a golden blouse. Like this, you can pair this sari. It will give a very simple and elegant look. Then next, we have a maroon sari. I'll show you a different design, which is of a tomato red, chili red it is, which can be paired with the orange. It's a combination of orange and red combination. If you want to make it like a contrast, you can wear it like this. Then we have a dark green, which can be paired with a light green and a dark green combination. You can send us a screenshot if you want to make a booking of this saris or blouses. We have a special offer going on, buy two get two free offers, and we have all the sizes available of these blouses. And even this maroon sari can be paired with a rani pink and a maroon blouse. This is of a rani pink with a maroon blouse. The prices of this blouse is 150 dirhams. So there is a special offer. It is like buy two get two free. So you'll be getting two blouse. When you buy two blouse, you'll be getting the same two blouses free. You can mix and match it with any of the blouses. We have like a lot of variety of blouses here, so you can just mix and match with, it's not like you have to take the same design or same pattern. We have a lot of variety of blouses. You can mix and match with any of the blouses when you're buying the next two blouses. So like this you can pair it. Like this you can pair it and wear it. And we have a sky blue also. Sky blue with the, so we have different colors. So for like this you can pair it. Even this is a very good combination. So for booking you can WhatsApp us on 052 7367418. We are located opposite to Dunes Hotel Apartment in Mohaisan Uppo. The nearest landmark is Lulu Village and Marina Mall. And you can WhatsApp us this screenshot of the item which you would like to purchase, and we have cash on delivery facility available. You can make the payment once you will receive your items. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe our channel and do share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching us.